Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on and confirming essential modes. This is how you ensure accurate results. Press mode and choose degree or radian depending on the problem, set normal or scientific display, then pick float digits for precision. Once done, clear the home screen with clear so no prior entries interfere. Make sure batteries are good. Weak power causes inconsistent behavior. These first steps set the calculator's environment, so you know why later calculations behave predictably. You now enter the core math. Type expressions with parentheses to control order, because the TI-84 follows standard precedence. Use the key for powers and the function keys for trig and logs. Press second for alternative functions. Once done entering, press enter to compute. If you need a previous result, use ANDs. For repeated tasks, store values with SDO right arrow and access via second vars. This makes complex chains simpler. Make sure to confirm mode, degree versus radian, to avoid wrong trig outputs. You finish by graphing and solving. Enter your function in y equals, adjust window limits to fit the behavior, and press graph to view. Once displayed, use second trace, calc, to find zeros, intersections, or maximums. These tools show how the graph corresponds to algebraic solutions. If the calculator acts weird, freezing, or wrong displays, reset RAM via second MEM options, but make sure to backup programs and lists first because reset clears stored data. This completes typical workflows and gives one clear recovery tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.